Hi, my name is Dr. Liz St. Louis, and I'll be your instructor for the Structure and Function course for Term 1 in our winter quarter here at Rasmussen University. I wanted to point out just a couple things to help get you acclimated to your first week of class here. So the first thing I wanted to show you is the calendar. When you log into Course Learn or Blackboard Learn, you'll have a menu on the left-hand side. If you click the calendar, what that's going to show is all of the due dates for all of your assignments for all of your classes. It will also show you your live classroom times. So for instance, tomorrow, I'm recording this Sunday night before the class opens. Tomorrow, Monday, January 4th, I can see by this little circle that I have something, and I'm going to scroll down until I see it, and I see, oh, I have a live classroom session for Structure and Function, Monday, January 4th at 8 p.m. Central, 9 p.m. Eastern. You can also see the WebEx address for the room where we will hold our online class. All other due dates for all of your classes are also listed here. So as you can see, Tuesday the 5th, your first assignment for Structure and Function, this first course number here, G150. Anything that starts with that, you're going to know is for your Structure and Function class. Beyond that, let's go into the course homepage here. When I get to my main courses page, I'm going to click on Structure and Function. And again, because the class hasn't opened yet, you won't be able to see my actual announcement, but I want to point out a few things. First of all, here is my contact information. Please reach out to me, call, text, email, course message, and any point. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Please just let me know who you are. Hey, this is so-and-so. Give me your name and what class you're in. That's always appreciated so that I know who I'm communicating with. Lastly, on this page, or second to the here, I guess, we'll talk about some helpful links here. If you're not sure how to, you have a discussion post due Tuesday, the 5th of January. If you aren't sure how to create that discussion post, you click on this link here that I'm hovering over, creating an initial discussion post, and it'll bring you to a new window that will walk you through exactly how do I submit an initial discussion post. I think you'll find that those links are incredibly helpful, especially if you're a new student here at Rasmussen University. We will have a live classroom session each week. On the course homepage, you will see a variety of information on our live classroom session. First of all, again here, this hyperlink will bring you right to my WebEx room. That is where we will hold class. There's information about the live classroom assignment, which I'll talk more about in class tomorrow night. And most importantly is the live classroom schedule. Our first live classroom session is tomorrow night, which by the time you're watching this video will be tonight, Monday, January 4th, 8 p.m. Central, 9 p.m. Eastern. If you are not able to make it to class tomorrow night or any week at any point, the sessions are always recorded, and within 24 hours of the time I'm holding the class, the links will be posted here. Hey, we have a lot to cover. It's going to be a great 5.5 weeks. I look forward to meeting you all on Monday the 4th. Thanks.